Hello everyone, today I am going to share you the informations related to latest Python release, that is Python 3.9. Yes, Python 3.9 is now ready to release in June 2020. Main new features in new Python 3.9. Dictionary merge and update operators. New, remove prefix, and remove suffix, string methods. Built-in generic types. New parser. Other language changes. New module. Let's see one by one in detail. Dictionary merge and update operators. Dict union will return a new dict consisting of the left operand merged with the right operand. If we have two dictionaries A and B that we need to merge, we now use the union operators. New, remove prefix, and remove suffix, string methods. Easily remove an unneeded prefix or suffix from a string. The built-in str class will gain two new methods which will behave as follows when typ self is typ prefix, is typ suffix. Here we can see the difference between older that we use till now in older versions, and in Python 3.9 new versions. Built-in generic types. Built-in generic types.the deprecated functionality will be removed from the typing. Now new parser will be based on PAG instead of LL1. It's more flexible, and in Python 3.9 only, you can switch back to the LL1 parser using a command line switch, axol parser, or an environment variable. Other language changes like import function now raises import error instead of value error. .9 now gets the absolute path of the script file name specified on the command line, x. python3 script.py. The file attribute of the main module became an absolute path, rather than a relative path. The encoding and errors arguments are now checked. Examples like open, str.encode, and by the place function that we used in earlier versions like replace s, and now returns s, instead of an empty string for all non-zero n. Big highlight in Python 3.9 is any valid expression can now be used as a decorator. Here, like you can see in the below example. Next is improved help for the typing module. Docstrings are now shown for all special forms and special generic aliases, like union and list. Using help with generic alias, like list int, will show the help for the correspondent concrete type. Now let's look at the new modules that are introduced in Python 3.9. First one is zone info. Second one is graphlib. There I am not gonna explain in deep for these modules, but if you would like to know more about these new modules, then please do comment below. I will make a separate detailed video for these new modules introduced. There are also some improved modules, those are many, but let's take a look to few of them. Those are very popular modules. As we all know, Python has been always updated in around 6 months, so whenever the developers team got some new features that can be added to any module that can increase the programmability and efficiency, it has been upgraded. So, here are some modules that is being improved, like datetime IP addresses synco. If we see some more, then as you can see here, math, pathlib, osrandom, pprint, multiprocessing, poplib, and many more. Here I am not explaining these improved modules in detail, but you are interested to know more about these, then please let me know. I would be grateful for doing so. If you guys found these informations useful and want to be updated with latest technologies updates, then I invite you to my channel and be updated with latest tech info related to machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science and also Python. Thank you for watching this. Please hit like and keep programming.